Hello and welcome back to Humanizer, my free and open source 3D character creator for Godot 4.4. As you may know, I've been working on version 3, which will support mods, and I just finished the skeleton rework, so now you can download additional skeletons from the Make Human community. You can download the additional skeletons in the MPFB2 GitHub. Under the data rig standard, there's a bunch of JSONs here, so you'll get the corresponding rig and weights file from here, or you can download from the Make Human community org/rigs, and you can see that there are some rigs here available as well. So for example, the Unity rig breast, butt, and P has the additional bones that you may be interested in. So you'll want to download those, and then you will need the latest version of the Humanizer plugin, as well as the Humanizer import plugin installed in your Godot project. So now you'll want to move your downloaded skeleton and weights file into your import project. I do strongly recommend that you have the import project separate from your game environment, because all the files generated are independent. So you'll want to go to the, you'll want to make a data input skeleton folder in your import project, and then make a new folder for the new skeleton, and then paste those two files in there. Then you'll open up your project in Godot, and from the drop-down, you'll want to go to Project, Tools, Import, Skeleton, and then you can select the skeleton, Unity with BBP, and import. So this will create a GLTF file in the generated, and it'll create two new resource files in your Humanizer skeleton folder. So here are the Unity with BP and the retargeted as well. So it does automatically retarget. So now you can just reload the Humanizer plugin, and then you should be able to select the skeleton in your authoring scene. So Unity with BBP retargeted. So here it is in the idle position, and you can select the run animation. So the retargeted animations from Mixamo work on this Unity skeleton, and you can see that the breasts are properly weighted to the breastbones. Same with the butt and P. So yeah, if you're interested in that, so if you're a Skyrim modder and you're interested in some custom body sliders and jiggle physics, I would love if anyone knows more about jiggle physics, if they would like to contribute to the project. That would be really amazing. But yeah, so there you go. You can load custom skeletons, and it'll automatically retarget, and at some point we will figure out the jiggle physics. And the character generation is noticeably slower right now because I'm no longer caching the weights, but I will add that as a setting at some point, so the speed will be restored, so you don't have to worry about that. We're just in the transition right now. I do have some more things that I want to do with version 3 as far as adding slot categories and metadata, and I want to do some with the texture overlays as well. So, but it is a lot of work. It is very time consuming. I've been working on this for 2 years. And I have had some people who have contributed, like Mad Hatter, LPA, so y'all are awesome, everyone who has helped out. But basically, if y'all want me to prioritize finishing this up, it does have to be more sustainable. So, I can't live on $48 a month. I've had to make income in other ways, so I've had to prioritize my time accordingly. This is a hobby, but it is a very, very intensive, time-consuming, mentally, exhausting. I read probably a couple thousand lines of Blender source code. I actually had to download it and compile it so that I could do the debug, the stack trace stuff, so that I could make the modular skeletons, because the way that they calculate the weights or the bone roll is very convoluted. So that took me probably 3 or 4 weeks. But I got it done. I'm super happy with the state of the project. It is, on trajectory. So anyway, but if you would like to help me expedite this project and give me more time to focus on this and, not have to, that would be awesome. Or if you happen to be a Skyrim modder and you're tired of Bethesda shitting on you, here's a free and open source alternative. And, my focus for version 3 is to make it moddable, is to support mods, so that y'all can have, we can have our own 3D character creator community. So be sure to check out the Make Human community. They have forums, lots of assets, and it'd be awesome if you would contribute to them as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.